Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enchant your bees in Garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 4. Okay, let's get into it guys. To enchant your bees, first of all, you're going to obtain the Bee Shard, and you can get the Bee Shard from this event, the Wasp Dungeon event. You can join it right here guys. If you don't know how to join it, you can watch my previous video, and from this event you will get the Bee Shard like this. Then you can enchant your bees using this Bee Shard. Basically, the bee shard can improve your bee army, and you can apply the enchantments during the nesting time. So when they are nesting, you can immediately apply the enchantment to one of your bees. And I'm going to apply it to this treasure bee. Wait, it's right here. Okay. Oh, this bee has an item already. So let's move to the this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, now the bee shard has been applied to this bee, and as you can see from the enchantments, my bee has 120% damage and also plus 75% speed. Oh, it's pretty useful guys, especially to defeat the Wasp Dungeon event. I mean to win that event. Okay guys, and that's how we can enchant our bees in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!